Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup HubSpot workflows and funnel analytics exports, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the top navigation bar and click on Automation. From the drop-down menu, select Workflows. In the Workflows dashboard, locate the specific workflow you want to backup. Click on the name of the workflow to open its details. Once in the workflow, look for the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Click on the three-dot menu and select Clone. This will create a duplicate of your workflow. Next, you will want to export your funnel analytics data. Head back to the main navigation menu and select Reports. Then, choose Analytics Tools from the drop-down. In the Analytics Tools section, click on Funnels. Identify the funnel you wish to export data from. Click on the funnel to open its details. In the top right corner, look for the Export button. Click on the Export button to download the funnel analytics as a CSV file. Ensure you choose the correct data range before export if prompted. Once the file is ready, it will automatically download to your device. Confirm that both your cloned workflows and exported funnel data are saved on your system. Organize the files in a dedicated folder for easy access in the future. Regularly repeat this backup process to keep your workflows and analytics data up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.